Okay, so I'm going to be doing this problem. The first thing that you have to do is either cancel out the x's or the y's. So let me just rewrite this. I'm going to be canceling out the x's, so I'm going to multiply the top by 12 and the bottom by -8. Once you multiply the top by 12, you will get 96x plus 108y, and that equals 676. And the bottom, you get -96x minus 40y equals -168. The x's cancel out, and then you're left with 68y equals 408. So now you want to get y alone, so you have to divide 68y by 68 and 408 by 68. The 68's canceled out, and you get y equals 6. So now that you got y equals 6, you're going to take one of the equations and you're going to substitute y for 6. So I'm going to take 8x plus 9y equals 48, and I'm going to substitute the y for 6. So 8x plus 9 times 6 equals 48. You're going to multiply 9 times 6, and you get 8x plus 54 equals 48. Now to get 8x alone, you're going to subtract 54 from both sides, and you're left with 8x equals -6. Now you just have to get x alone, so I'm going to divide 8 by both sides. The 8's cancel out, and you get x equals -3/4. So now that we got the first system, we're going to do the second system. So that is 8x plus 9y equals 48, and -8.5y equals -51. To get y alone, I'm going to divide by -8.5 on both sides. The -8.5 cancels out, so you get y equals -8.5. So now that we found y, I need to find x, so I'm going to be using the equation 8x plus 9y equals 48. I'm going to substitute y in for x, so 8x plus 9 times 6 equals 48, and now I'm going to multiply 9 times 6. 8x plus 54 equals 48. To get 8x alone, I'm going to subtract 54 from both sides, and I'm left with 8x equals -6. To get the x alone, I need to divide each side by 8. The 8's cancel out, and you get x equals -3/4. So the solution for the first system is -3/4, and the solution for the second system is also -3/4. It asks, determine and state whether you agree with Albert. I agree with Albert that the two systems have the same solution.